It's time for another case of truck drivers who get caught doing false and misleading records. This example is from September 2025 here at Kurri Kurri Local Court and involves multiple false and misleading entries. This one isn't a court election, it's a straight to court type case. By the way, false and misleading entry means something's not quite right on the driving log, like the wrong hours or the wrong driver. For us non-truckers in the courtroom gallery, we have previously discovered that the heavy vehicle regulator checks these logbooks. For example, they capture trucks at locations, but the logbook has different times or locations, etc. So the defendant hasn't shown up to Kurri Court and the court proceeds in their absence. We hear the defendant has a shocking traffic record. However, no heavy vehicle convictions. Without the defendant here to tell their side of the story gets told by the heavy vehicle prosecutor. They highlight things such as they can't work out what the driver was doing because of the false records. Therefore, they can't work out what the risk is. However, they explain this type of offence can mask the reality of fatigue. That's the risk to the community. The magistrate acknowledges the safety issue, explains the need to record, denounce and deter the behaviour. The defendant is convicted, fined $1,100 and must pay professional costs to the heavy vehicle regulator. So my question is, do truck drivers know about cases here at Kurri Kurri Local Court for deterrence to have a chance?